Today, we'd like to share our staggered patch panel unloaded type here. It supports to load and unload keystone jacks both from front and rear, and it contains 5 parts: foldable cable manager, left and right panels, the frame and accessories. Compared with most patch panels loaded type, this one features below. First, flexible application. It can comply with keystone jack of Cat5e, Cat6 and Cat6a, and flexible selection for each project. Second, low cost of maintenance. When one keystone jack has got some problem, only need to change it. And there is no any impact to other keystone jacks. Front assembled design is convenient for installation and maintenance. Thirdly, upgrade performance. It is staggered design to reduce external crosstalk interference between keystone jacks and avoid short circuit caused by cable ends. Thanks for watching, and please give us thumbs up and follow us for more network cabling information.